Let's have a look at the number section of the vocabulary guide. What you will find here are numbers 1 through 10, and then I'll give you some examples of 20 and 30 and 40 to show how you combine these in French, right? So for example, how to say 21, 31, 41, but then higher numbers as well. We also have numbers 60, 70, 80, 100, and 1,000. And some basic ordinals like first, next, and last. Make sure you familiarize yourself with all of these numbers. They're important. And play the vocabulary game, which is going to ensure that you've mastered these numbers. One grammatical point to pay attention to is how do you say in? English is fairly simple, whether you're talking about in a country or in a city, in a state or a province, we really just have one word. In French, there are a number of options, and it really depends. So for cities, mostly you're going to say à Toronto. Masculine countries, au, like au Canada. And if it's a feminine country and you want to say in France, for example, it will be en. Certainly, there is some usage when you're talking about other kinds of uses of in, you would use dans. But for cities and place, locations, it really is going to be one of the ones I've mentioned. And you can find a lot more about these prepositions with place names and in general right here. Have a look at the exercises for the numbers and make sure you do the translations here. You should already be in a position to start putting words together in sentences. And once you do, go over to BonPatron's grammar checker and make sure you've got the grammar correct.